Start. Incidentally, I would like to say that even the workers' cooperatives in the newspaper industry are given a raw deal stop. In my place, there is a workers' cooperative running a newspaper, but even they are not getting all the facilities stop. Therefore, if we really want to reach the commanding heights of production, which is our objective, it is necessary that the workers' cooperatives are promoted, and for that purpose my suggestion is that there should be a separate ministry of cooperation. Stopera. Then, sir, this report contains a catalogue of events. Stop. The report says that in 95 the major cause of severe setback to agricultural production was unprecedented drought in 95-96. Stop. And when it comes to how we have made progress in 96-97, it says because the weather was comparatively fair and there was no drought to that extent. Stop. What is the achievement we have made? Therefore, the whole report is very disappointing. Stop. It does not disclose what all the radical changes have taken place or what steps have been taken to improve agriculture with expedition. Stop. And from point of view, if you really examine this report, you will find that the government has not taken major steps about land reforms, about rural employment or the integrated rural development program. Stop. For that purpose, a separate department was constituted for rural reconstruction, and the ministry in this report admits that benefits of investment on agriculture have not reached poorer sections of rural population. Stop. Para. The report begins like this. Stop. It was felt, therefore, that exclusive special programs for the exclusive benefit of poorer sections of rural population are required if the objective of distributive justice was to be achieved, and then after giving the number of agencies which are working, the report has not revealed what rural employment was given in the year 95-96. Stop. I would like to know from the minister, in view of investment and so many programs of integrated rural development going on, what was the increase in rural employment in the year 95-96. Stop. The report itself is astonishing in another aspect. Stop. It says that land reforms are being implemented, but the land reforms implementation paragraph in the report is interesting. Stop. It is only the lipsympathy which has been shown by the government. Stop.